cannot tell that a specific event will happen with full certainty. We could only say how likely or how often it will happen through probability. Probability concerns numerical description of how likely an event is to occur or how likely it is that a proposition is true.
If we're unsure about the outcome of an event, we can talk about probabilities of certain outcomes. The analysis of events governed by probability is called statistics.
We also use probability in our daily lives to make decisions if we are not certain of what the outcome will be.
Here's an example. Number 1. You are working part-time at the Learning Resource Center of National University. You have 4 different physics books, 6 different chemistry books, 2 different engineering books, and 2 different surveying books. You wonder, how many arrangements is possible if the books in particular subjects must stand together? To count the number of these possibilities, you will do first the number of options factorial. There are 4 options for subject, so 4 factorial is equal to 24. So there are 24 possibilities for the subjects. After that, you have to count the number of possibilities for each courses. First, physics. There are 4 different books. 4 factorial is equal to 24. So there are 24 ways to order these books. Next is chemistry. There are 6 factorial is equal to 720 possible ways to order these books. Then for engineering, there are 2 factorial is equal to 2 possible ways to order these books. Lastly, for surveying, there are also 2 factorial is equal to 2 possible ways to order these books. After all of that, you have to multiply all the calculated values by the use of fundamental counting principle to know the possibilities in arranging the books in a way they stand together with their particular courses. 24 times 24 times 720 times 2 times 2 is equal to 1,658,880. Therefore, there are 1,658,880 ways to order these books.
Another example. For a forecast of 30% probability of precipitation for Metro Manila tomorrow, a person may be unsure as to whether that means. Here are some of the possibility. A. It will rain over 30% of the Metro Manila area tomorrow. B. It will rain for 30% of the time tomorrow somewhere in Metro Manila. C. There is a 30% probability it will rain somewhere in Metro Manila tomorrow. Or D. At any given location in the Metro Manila area, there is a 30% probability that it will rain tomorrow. The definition of a precipitation event used by the GMA News TV is measurable precipitation within the stated time period at any point in the area for which the forecast is valid. So D is the right answer.
This is the reason why probability is an essential in our lives. It helps us to know possible outcomes of an event. But most of the times, we don't need to perform actual probability problems, but will use subjective probability to make judgment calls and make best decisions.